All right, let's kick things off with a massive story that has the market buzzing. Thumzup Media Corporation, a company stacking both Bitcoin and Dogecoin, just announced a huge $10 million share repurchase program. Their stock is already reacting, and CEO Robert Steele is talking about confidence and long-term strategy. We'll break down exactly what this means for their digital asset holdings and their ambitious acquisition plans, including DOGE technologies. Next up, we've got a massive financial move from CleanSpark. They've just secured a new $100 million Bitcoin-backed revolving credit facility with 2Prime. This adds to their already impressive borrowing capacity, and CFO Gary Vecchiarelli is calling it responsibly sized leverage to fund their growth. We're digging into the interest rates, the collateralization, and what this means for their expansion beyond just mining. And speaking of CleanSpark's bold moves, we're going to dive deeper into that $100 million Bitcoin-backed credit facility with 2Prime. This isn't just about mining anymore. CleanSpark is strategically positioning itself for the future, and this financing is a key piece of that puzzle. We'll explore how they're leveraging their Bitcoin treasury to fuel their ambitions and what it signals for the broader industry. Finally, hold on to your hats because Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong is making a jaw-dropping prediction. He's calling for Bitcoin to hit a staggering $1 million by 2030. What incredible forces could possibly drive such an astronomical surge? We're unpacking the factors that Armstrong believes will make this prediction a reality. Stay locked on Bitcoin Bulletin for all the details, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thumzup stock surges on buyback news amidst Bitcoin and Dogecoin accumulation. Is the crypto treasury model back in vogue? Thumzup Media Corporation, a company actively stockpiling both Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is seeing its stock price climb after announcing a significant share repurchase program. This move signals a renewed focus on shareholder value, even as the company continues to expand its digital asset holdings. Thumzup, trading on the Nasdaq under the ticker TZUP, has received board approval for a substantial $10 million share repurchase program set to run through the end of 2026. This follows the recent completion of an initial $1 million buyback, during which the company acquired 212,432 shares. The market has responded positively, with TZUP shares trading up following the announcement, although they remain down over the past month from their August peak. Our decision to implement a $10 million share repurchase program reflects confidence in Thumzup's long-term strategy and our commitment to delivering value to shareholders, stated Thumzup CEO Robert Steele. He emphasized that the company's strategy involves a balanced approach, combining the strategic accumulation of digital assets with investment in underlying infrastructure to foster sustained growth. Currently, Thumzup holds approximately 19.1 BTC and a massive 7.5 million Doge in its treasury, with plans to also acquire Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Litecoin, and USDC. Adding to its crypto ambitions, Thumzup has also entered into an agreement to acquire DOGE technologies, a Dogecoin mining operation. This acquisition, pending shareholder approval, would significantly boost Thumzup's mining capabilities with 2,500 active rigs and an additional 1,000 on the way. This strategic expansion into mining, coupled with the buyback program, paints a picture of a company actively working to bolster its market position and investor appeal. Don't go anywhere, we've got more explosive crypto news coming your way. Next, we're breaking down how CleanSpark is leveraging Bitcoin for a massive financial boost. CleanSpark secures $100 million Bitcoin-backed loan to fuel growth. In a move that underscores the increasing financial sophistication of Bitcoin miners, CleanSpark has announced a new $100 million Bitcoin-backed revolving credit facility with 2Prime. This significant financing arrangement boosts the company's total collateralized loan capacity to an impressive $400 million, signaling a strategic approach to growth capital. This latest credit facility, formally executed on September 19th, is a one-year revolving loan secured by Bitcoin. It features an initial collateralization level of 160%, translating to a loan-to-value ratio of 62.5%. The facility carries an interest rate of term SOFR, plus 3.55% annually. With the current one-month term SOFR hovering around 4.16%, CleanSpark's implied interest rate is approximately 7.71% per annum. The agreement includes robust risk mitigation clauses, such as demanding repayment or replacement collateral if the Bitcoin collateral value drops by 40% within a 12-hour window. CleanSpark's CFO and president, Gary Vecchiarelli, highlighted that the company has effectively utilized its treasury balance of nearly 13,000 Bitcoin to finance growth through responsibly sized leverage. This strategic financing allows CleanSpark to expand its operations, including data center buildouts, Bitcoin mining deployments, and high-performance computing (HPC) initiatives, without liquidating its core Bitcoin holdings. The broader market reaction indicates a positive reception to CleanSpark's financial maneuverings. This move comes shortly after CleanSpark expanded its borrowing capacity with Coinbase Prime to $300 million, demonstrating a multi-pronged strategy for accessing capital. The company is increasingly positioning itself beyond a traditional, pure-play Bitcoin miner, exploring new revenue streams in areas like AI and GPU-based workloads, following a trend seen among industry peers such as TeraWulf, Core Scientific, and IREN. We're not done yet, the Bitcoin news keeps coming. Prepare for a truly mind-blowing prediction about Bitcoin's future price. CleanSpark seals $100 million Bitcoin credit facility, expanding financial horizons. CleanSpark Inc. has solidified its financial strategy with the successful establishment of a $100 million Bitcoin-backed credit facility provided by 2Prime. This landmark deal significantly enhances CleanSpark's financial flexibility and operational capacity, marking a pivotal moment for the company. This new facility represents a substantial addition to CleanSpark's financial arsenal, allowing for strategic investments and operational scaling. The terms of the agreement are designed to leverage CleanSpark's existing Bitcoin holdings as collateral, providing access to capital without necessitating the sale of their mined assets. This approach is becoming increasingly common as crypto-native companies seek to optimize their balance sheets and fund expansion. The company's proactive approach to financing its growth demonstrates a keen understanding of capital markets and cryptocurrency economics. By securing this facility, CleanSpark is well-positioned to pursue its ambitious development plans, which may include expanding its mining infrastructure, investing in new technologies, and potentially exploring adjacent business opportunities within the digital asset ecosystem. This development is being closely watched by investors and analysts who are keen to see how CleanSpark capitalizes on this enhanced financial capacity. The ability to access significant capital backed by Bitcoin holdings is a testament to the evolving financial landscape within the digital asset sector and CleanSpark's strategic execution. Stick around, because the final story might just change how you see Bitcoin's future. Get ready for a price prediction that's out of this world. Coinbase CEO predicts Bitcoin's meteoric rise to $1 million by 2030. In a bold and potentially game-changing forecast, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has predicted that Bitcoin could reach an astounding $1 million per coin by the year 2030. This ambitious outlook suggests a future where Bitcoin not only maintains its position as a leading digital asset, but experiences unprecedented growth. Armstrong's prediction is rooted in several key factors that he believes will drive Bitcoin's value exponentially. While the specifics of his detailed analysis are complex, the core drivers are expected to include increasing institutional adoption, the ongoing maturation of the cryptocurrency market, potential global economic shifts, and Bitcoin's role as a potential digital gold or inflation hedge. The scarcity of Bitcoin, with a fixed supply cap of 21 million coins, also plays a crucial role in its long-term value proposition. This forecast has ignited widespread discussion across the crypto community and financial markets. Analysts are scrutinizing the underlying assumptions, while investors are contemplating the implications of such a significant price surge. If realized, a $1 million Bitcoin would represent a monumental shift in wealth and a validation of the cryptocurrency's disruptive potential, impacting everything from individual portfolios to global financial systems. The prediction from a leader of a major exchange like Coinbase carries considerable weight, potentially influencing market sentiment and investment strategies. It serves as a powerful signal of confidence in Bitcoin's long-term viability and its capacity to achieve mainstream financial relevance. That's all the news for today, but don't go anywhere. We've got a rapid-fire recap and a full call to action coming right up. And that's a wrap on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. Thumzup is making waves with stock buybacks and crypto accumulation. CleanSpark is leveraging its Bitcoin for massive growth with new credit facilities. And Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong is predicting Bitcoin will hit a mind-blowing $1 million by 2030. Don't miss out on any of these incredible developments. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for all your crypto news needs, hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels.